Hi everyone, this is Ravi. Welcome to TRICENTIS Tosca Advanced Training. As you all know, I've already published 70 YouTube videos covering beginners level, intermediate level, and advanced level concepts of TRICENTIS Tosca test automation. From few videos onwards, I've started teaching you the real-time scenarios where you might encounter different types of obstacles and how can we solve those obstacles while automating your test cases. So this is our lesson 71 in terms of overall Tricentis Tosca advanced training, and this is our lesson 29 or obstacle 29 in terms of real-time scenarios. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon, you'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. Thank you. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how can you solve an obstacle where you need to interact with the application and you need to enter the long day or the full name of the weekday or the full name of the weekday of future date by using date expression with the help of Tricentis Tosca. So now let us go and see the obstacle in detail. What is the problem that we need to solve for? So this is our obstacle. The name of the obstacle is future Christmas and which is categorized as easy. Let us go for it. So it says you need to calculate on which day Christmas falls in 2 years. Write it as a word like Monday. So let's assume our 25th December 2025 falls on Thursday. But we need to calculate which day of the Christmas falls after 2 years. That means your 2027, 26, 27. So in the year 2027, the Christmas falls on which day? So in 2027, the Christmas falls on Saturday. See, that means you have solved your automation problem successfully. So how can I calculate the day of the Christmas that falls in 2 years? So let us go to Tricentis Tosca and let us automate this scenario. As usual, we're going to capture the objects or elements of the application under modules. So this is the folder that we are capturing, obstacles folder. Under obstacles folder, right click on this obstacles folder, select scan, application, and then select the application that you would like to scan and click on scan. So you can see here now, we need to enter the full day of weekday in this edit box. So that's why I'm gonna select the edit box, enter the day. So this is the only object that we need to automate this scenario. And then I'm gonna name the module with the obstacle number. Copy this and paste it here. So you can see this enter the day edit box is uniquely identified. So done. So now let us save the module and close the Xscan. So let's go back to Tricentis Tosca. You can see here the new obstacle that we captured. This is the new obstacle that we have. So this is our new obstacle. So now let us go to the left section. Let us go to the left section, test case section. So here under folder obstacles, let me create a new test case. Right click on this obstacles folder and then select create test case. name this as same as the obstacle number. And now double click on this test case. So let us automate the test case. To automate the test case, we need to drag and drop your module onto your test case. And now let us expand this one. So here we need to calculate the day on which the Christmas falls in 2 years. So for that, let us go to TRICENTIS Tosca. So here, so there is one function called LDay in TRICENTIS Tosca. So to call any function, you need to open curly braces. Now type LDA. So you can see here now LDay. Day according to the current system settings. So what is the syntax? To calculate the long day, you need to enter the date and then your offset and then in which format you need the output. So basically LDay, your date expression, your offset and then your format. So this is the format. So what I'm going to do here, LDAY. Now let us write the expression within the square braces and close curly braces. So here first you need to enter your date expression. Open curly braces, date, and what is the date? I would like to enter current year Christmas date. So that is 25.12.2025. So this is my current year Christmas date. And now what is your offset? My offset is 2 years because I need to calculate the day falls in 2 years, right? So I'm gonna enter the offset as +2 y. And then what is the format that you need? I don't want to enter any format because I need a full day. That's it. I don't want to change the format. This expression by default gives you the full name of the weekday, right? So once that is done, close curly braces. So here now, let me explain again what we have done. LDay is a function which returns the full name of the weekday. So here I have entered the date expression where I have entered the date of this year Christmas and then I'm providing the offset as 2 years. That means it's going to return the full name of the weekday for the Christmas date in the year 2027, right? So once that is done, so now let us run this test case and see if it works correctly. So let me change the work state to completed and save the test case. Let's go back to our application. Let's click on try again. Now let's run the test case in Scratchbook. Right click and run in Scratchbook. It should enter the full day of Christmas in the year 2027, which is Saturday. Yep. See, you can see here now it entered Saturday. That means our test case is passed. So if you want to understand if it is calculating correctly or not, before even you run the test case, what you need to do, you'll have to come back to your TRICENTIS Tosca. There is another way. Right click on this and you can select translate value. This way you can understand if it is calculating the correct day or not. So you can see the output value is Saturday. Let's do one thing. Let me do one thing. Okay. So let me do one thing. If I want to calculate the day of Christmas in the next year, I'm going to put it as +1 y. Let's translate this. Right click, and then translate value. It should be Friday. See, this is Friday, which is correct. And let's say if I want to calculate this year, what is the, I can just remove the offset. Okay, I'm just calculating the day of this date, this year Christmas date. Right click, translate value. It should be Thursday, right? So this is how you can calculate the day of weekday for any given date. So if you have any queries, leave your queries in the comment box. I'll try to respond to your queries. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.